Greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I'm here at Marion, Lakeville, trails. Cruising around nice and easy. The jump marathon is going forward. However, I'm gonna probably take a 2, maybe 3 week break from biking. My back is just bothering me too much. So, I'm getting all the jumps here. And I gotta go back to Cuyuna because I didn't get all the jumps up there. Nowhere even close. I am at par and level with where I was with the pivot. The different suspension, not a big deal. I'm able to get speed going into just about everything. I may have to crank a little bit more, but for the most part, I'm feeling really, really good on this bike. So, and I did a 1 month review. I'm hoping to be back in the game, full enduro again. Probably late June, maybe mid-June, depending on how I feel.
So this video and its details will just give you a brief update to the changes to the jump marathon as I went forward. Obviously I was planning on getting back into big stuff and doing all the fun stuff I like doing, but my physical condition, as you'll see here, was kind of goofy along with other things. I'll give you some updates. But the jump marathon right now is actually doing pretty good. Even now it is late August, and this update will give you kind of update to the update of the updates. Okay, are you updated yet?
So, my jump marathon, I'm going to change it a little bit. I was planning on going up to Duluth, but with all this crazy stuff going on, my back is better. My foot's been bothering me a little bit, so I'm not real sure how I feel about that. Hotels are ridiculous, along with other things, and my expenses right now and budget are kind of screwed up. So I don't know what I'm going to be doing in July, but I do have some ideas for trips, probably day trips. And I'm going to try to hit all the tabletops in a geographic area. So this place here, I actually pretty closely came to that. The one trail, the largemouth, I did not clear those tables, but that is a super scary loose trail. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to try to do all southern Minnesota. I will get up to Alexandria, but I don't know if I'll go to Detroit Lakes. We'll see. But I'm going to cut out Cuyuna, I think, too. We'll see. Only because expense again. It's just, I mean, Cuyuna is actually fairly cheap compared to Duluth. So I would be more likely to go there first. So I don't know when I'm going to go there again. Oh, they got some fun stuff in here. I don't know how I feel about the jumps up in Duluth because they're really big and they would be the biggest challenge for me. I can do most of them, but I kind of have to fall back a little bit. So I don't know what my plans are for going up to Duluth. I'm still going to kind of plan on it, but this next few days I'm going to start calling hotels. The one hotel I saw was like $240 for one night in Duluth. I do have a couple other thoughts. I want to go to Giants Ridge, which is even farther, but right now I'm thinking that I'm going to probably cut back. It's still going to be a fun summer. I'm going to try to go down to Hixon, and I might include those tables. Geographic region, southern part of the state. And then next year, I can hopefully get up to Duluth early. Realize that I might not be able to do all of it, but I can't do all of it this year. You know, the late spring was part of it too. Our late spring, I had plans of being teeter-totter. Nice, thank you for that. That actually doesn't look... So, didn't say this before maybe, but why the heck am I doing all the tabletops in Minnesota? What is that all about? Well, besides being a challenge and a lot of fun and stuff I know I can do, obviously I'm falling back a little bit as I'm just not going to get everything in because of time and energy and my body. 20 years ago, in Memorial Day in 2002, I cleared my first tabletop ever. This thing's a little tricky up here, but I get it every single time. It's just a little tricky. Okay, I have a manual on that. Anyways, I am celebrating 20 years of jumping this year. Just like I was celebrating, 25 years of biking and so on and so forth like that. So, it's going to be fun. My goal is 60 tabletops. With all the stuff I've done here, and if I go to Spirit Mountain, there's no way I will not be at 60 tabletops. Okay, I did not clean this yesterday.
With all this said, of course, there will probably be more updates as time goes on. Hopefully, I can actually do all of southern Minnesota. I just have Mankato left, so on and so forth. So I'm staying south of Duluth. My plan right now is to get up to Alec and the Brophy trails, as well as potentially still planning on Detroit Lakes. We don't know for sure on that. So then next year I will plan on getting up to Cuyuna and finishing up stuff I didn't clear up there, and then hitting Duluth as much as I can and north of Duluth. So that is the plan for the jump marathon. And right now I am putting together the video, and it should come out in November, I hope. That's the plan. Do you have a plan? I sure hope you do.